and you've been using one of these gadgets to clean your pineapple for years. I have. And then, of course, what comes out of there is a wonderful spiraled pineapple core. And then you throw this away. That's what I've been doing, not what you should do. What you should do, which I just started doing, is cutting strips off what's left, because there is a lot more pineapple here. Let me show you this. Here's a strip that I cut just now. I cut it along the skin, and guess what comes off? This much. So, to review, we take this, we cut it like that, we have this, then we simply take it like this.
And you shouldn't cut toward your fingers.
Don't cut your fingers, cut away.
Cut
Thank
away
you.
from your
That's
fingers.
my production assistant speaking. Then we go this way, like this, and look at this beautiful piece of, let me check it out. Oh. Oh. I've been throwing this away for years. So, don't do this. Do this.